In this video, we are heading to Nuwara Eliya, which is known as the City of Light or Little England of Sri Lanka. We'll be taking one of the most scenic routes we've ever travelled on. We're Trisha and Nikhil, and we are travelling through Sri Lanka while exploring all the amazing things that it has to offer. Our day started by taking a local bus to Pinnewala Elephant Orphanage, and now we've got into fresh clothes and checked out of our hotel, so let's go!
We have just left the hotel. It's around it's 2:30 p.m. right now. It's almost 2:30 actually, and we've just gotten into the cab. We're heading towards Nuwara Eliya, and I've been talking to our good friend over here. He's been telling us that there are certain good places in the middle, and we may stop there if we have time because it's really scenic. Yes, Trisha?
Yup. Sorry, I was just adjusting.
She's getting comfortable. As I said, we have just gotten into the cab, and there may be a little traffic because it's proper daytime. It's Sunday, but we are super tired now. We've been traveling since morning. We've been rushing. We started packing at 5 a.m.
started at yeah, right.
So
5 a.m.
we are really hoping for a good and scenic journey. Like, that's what we've been promised. We've been told a number of times. So the first point that we have chosen to stop at is this. We're right next to the Tea Bush Hotel. It's a crazy viewpoint.
It's so beautiful.
That's a really nice point. So it's a big fall, but there's lesser water right now.
Yeah. This is the one.
Perhaps it'll rain.
Yep. This is literally the most beautiful route. Like, it has waterfalls, tea garden, tea plantations and whatnot while we're en route. So it's so beautiful.
Alright, we're going through the factory.
Okay, so welcome to Bluefield Tea Factory.
Yeah.
And I'm Farhan and I'm your guide.
Okay.
I will explain you how tea is produced in this factory. So this factory started in 1921 by British people.
Okay.
Almost 100 years old factory. So in Sri Lanka, we are producing 3 types of teas: black tea, green tea and white tea. So this is the first process in black tea. We use this process to dry the tea leaves. This is not a machine, this is like a box.
Okay.
Next side of the box, there is a huge fan. So we can put here 1200 kilograms of fresh tea leaves.
Okay.
After remove the moisture, we can take only 700 kilograms.
Okay.
500 kilograms, it goes for the moisture.
Okay. Of course.
And we are not drying 100%, we are drying here only 40%. So we will transfer the tea leaves from here, it will directly fall to the rolling machine. This is the rolling machine. The
Okay.
tea leaves which is transferred from the upside,
Yeah.
it will directly fall to the rolling machine.
Okay.
We can put here 325 kilograms of fresh tea leaves crush the tea leaves. After crushing, we will transfer the tea leaves to this machine, known as a roll breaker machine. The process of this machine is to separate the crushed and the uncrushed particles which comes out from the roller machine.
Okay.
The crushed particles we will transfer to the fermentation area.
Okay.
This is the main process in tea produce, which we are taking the color and the taste of the tea. Just spread over here for 3 hours and transfer to the dryer machine to dry 100%.
Okay.
Upside we will dry only 40%. From the next machine we will dry 100%.
Okay.
And that room is really hot. It's where the drying process happens.
So here you can see the tea after the fermentation. You can feel still wet. The moisture is still there. So from the next machine we will dry 100%.
Okay.
I will show you here. Welcome sir, welcome ma'am.
So this area is very hot.
Yeah. Like an oven. So this is the dryer machine. From this machine we are drying the tea 100%.
Okay.
The temperature of the machine is 90 Celsius degree and the duration of this machine is 21 minutes.
Okay.
This machine is working by electric, but the fire we are taking by wood, firewood. We won't use gas, petrol or anything. And for your surprise, this machine is older than 100 years.
Wow.
It's a 100 years old machine and it's from Belfast, Ireland. Still working.
Nice.
Good machine.
They know how to make good machines.
Yeah. This machine we known as fiber extractor machine. This roller has electrostatic power, like a magnetic power. The brown color stem parts are not heavy because of the electrostatic power. The brown color stem part will stick on this roller. Only the tea leaves will travel on this down layer which they will collect separately.
Okay.
After separation, there are 13 types of machine inside which we are separating the sizes of the tea.
Okay.
There are many sizes like small, medium, large like that. So we will separate the sizes from those machines. That is the final process. After the final process, 80% of the tea we will send to the Colombo tea auction, tea market. To the tea auction, many big companies will come, like Lipton, Delmar, Vista, like that. They will come and they will buy many factories tea. So this is the tea samples. So these two we known as white tea. For the white tea we won't use any machines. We will dry only in the hot sun.
Okay.
Golden tips we will dry in the sun for 30 days. Silver tips we will dry in the sun for 15 days.
Okay.
So this is a healthy tea, very good for the health, like diabetes, cholesterol, cancer prevention, blood pressure, bone, heart, like that. But it's very, very, very expensive.
Yeah.
Green tea also very good for the health, like fat reduce, fat burn, like that. These 6 are the black tea. OPA is the biggest leaf. If we mix to the hot water, the color will be very, very light. So you can't add the milk and you can't add the sugar because the color is very, very light. OP medium size leaf, medium taste. Peco small size, little bit strong taste. So these three you can't add the milk and sugar.
Okay.
Mostly drinking by Chinese, Japanese and Russian people without milk and sugar. BOP, this is we known as English breakfast tea. Mostly people they are drinking with milk, some people are drinking without milk.
Okay.
BOPF, this is the one which comes in the tea bags.
Okay.
Because you can use a both with milk or without milk. That's number one, this is the strongest tea. The color is very, very dark, like coffee black color, so you have to add the milk. Without milk, it will be better, it will be bitter taste. Most Sri Lankan people, we prefer this.
Indian
Yeah.
also.
In India mostly, right? With milk actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the tea samples. If you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me. I will clear you.
No, I'm good. That was very clear.
In detail.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir. So thank you so much. My explanation is finished now. Now I think you can have a cup of tea over there. So after the tea, if you want to buy something, you can buy yours.
Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Such scenic routes.
there was a sign that said pizza Hut 5 kilometers ahead. And I'm like, that looks so enticing right now because I'm super hungry. Right, there's a lot of police movement. Acha, VIP movement.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
This is awesome.
I'll ask someone from the company to get a part. This one is build a part.
Oh my God. Right now we have no idea where the reception is. We did park the car at the car parking, but reception is still, the location is unknown. Nikhil is gone to figure out, because we tried to call them but even the call went unanswered. This looks like a very beautiful place, but where is the reception?
Thank you so much.
We finally found the place. We finally found the restaurant of the place, and this one had to be good because it was recommended by TripAdvisor.
It's a little outside from the city, like a lot actually. It's a bit of an off-road to get here, but I will tell you that it's totally worth the ride because you can see the view. Actually, don't show them the view right now. I want to show them the view in the morning, tomorrow morning, or somewhere around sunset, like a perfect view, because this view is worth waiting. We waited a long time, you can wait too. So we just got informed that we don't need to worry that this place is like so out of town or like so
Far.
off beat.
Because it isn't.
Because it actually isn't. There's a shortcut route that goes right through like here, and it's just a 10-minute walk, which says something, to the town. That's a big breath of relief because we were trying to figure out how we're gonna do up and downs from the path. Would have ended up being very costly. We were figuring it out. We were, getting used to the idea that, all right, this is how it's gonna be.
We were actually kind of thinking that maybe we are just going to chill here because we like the property already.
Yeah, they have a restaurant. They have got good coffee. They've got good people. They've got a fireplace, so which they're gonna be lighting today. So we've been told. So we can just stay here. We can just edit our videos right here. I don't mind. We have a lot. To give you just an idea of how far behind we are, I have easily around 30 to 40 vlogs to edit easily, because right now I don't know what is the number of vlog which is going out right now, but the last video that I posted was vlog number 23, and yeah, me and Trisha have been trying to put all our time and effort into traveling and editing at the same time. Like, we're trying to manage all these things at the same time, and shooting, of course. But it's not that easy. We're still learning. We don't still know what is the right kind of videos that are going to work out for us. So we're still trying. We're learning new things.
Mostly we are just trying to live our passion through it, honestly.
Mostly just that. So we just posted vlog number 23 yesterday only, yes. And I don't know what vlog this is right now, but I'm guessing there's going to be a good 20-30 videos difference between these two vlogs.
So maybe this is the 50th vlog, or
there's a probability it's the 100th, I don't know.
Yeah.
So in any case, I'm super tired, looking forward to the room, but I'm gonna start with my coffee first.
It is so chilly over here right now, but before getting my jacket out, I wanted to give you a room tour because I'm so excited to do that. Now, this journey of ours with this place started a little rocky, but all is settled now. So I'm super thrilled to give you a room tour. But before that, just look at how beautiful this entrance is. It's just so nice. Like right when you enter, you're like, wow. It's a little cold though, like I said earlier. So the first thing, now I can't wait for the room tour, so this is our room. The first thing when we enter is a cute washroom, and this might be TMI for you, but this is the first place where we've gotten a working exhaust. Now, while moving on, we have this nice bed in my favorite color, pink, and it's so adorable. I love it. Then we have some wooden furniture, cloth rack, and mirror, very cute again, and some nice decoration and sitting area. Totally love it. Now, Nikhil, let's go. First of all, this place has this magnetic door so that it doesn't close when we go out. So yeah, that. And the best part, this view. I couldn't have asked for better. It's so beautiful. Just look at it. Oh wow. We really hope you like this video and our Sri Lanka series so far. We would love to hear about it in the comments section. If you like this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment for us, and share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time.
Nikhil said
I look like a polar bear.
Eskimo. Inside on a noodle separately. Would you like to have?
If you're hungry, please join us.
Please join us because we
dinner with
have
us.
so much. Please grab a plate. मैं तेरे पास ही बैठ जा रहा हूँ. And yes, this is yours, nasi goreng.
No, हम half share करें सब कुछ.
Okay, that makes sense to me.
First this. Yeah.
Yes, I know only this. पेट भर
खा लेंगे यार, परेशान मत करो. Okay, so ठीक कर दो कैमरा.